Friends, Namaskar. This is the Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, Gwalior. Today is 4th of August 2025, Monday. Today's batch is Group A, or rather we can say it's Group C, because A and B groups, they have gone for the industrial training. Now this Group C has undergone a training session regarding the making of the menu in Punjabi style. They have prepared a detailed Punjabi menu. And the Punjabi menu has got the non-veg item, veg item, rice item, but it's very short. We have not kept any Punjabi bread out here. We have only kept the rice item because as per the direction of the Jawaharlal Nehru University, we have to follow the protocol. And also we have to look at the cost process at the same time. So I'm Bankim Jor, the head of the department and the in charge of the quantity training kitchen. Under the direction of the NCHM City and JNU, we have prepared this particular menu. We will tell you what is all about the tandoori food item and the Punjabi food item in short. You know, tandoor item, it has got a very strong connection with the Middle East. Tandoori item, it's very famous in all the village area also. If you go to the 5-star hotels, you will see that the tandoori items are made by using the charcoal fire. So friends, we know the fact that old is gold. Nowadays, we have already invented, as per the help of the scientific application, without using the tandoor oven, we can prepare the tandoori dish. Like today, we are going to prepare the dish that is tandoori chicken in the combi oven. But as far as my personal opinion goes, the taste does not like blossom up, or it does not give you that particular sensation which you get when you cook it in the charcoal fire. But still, like demanding as per the responding to the demand of the time, we have made it, and that is being cooked. It will take some more time, but in the meantime, I would like to ask our supervisor, Mr. Aman Kumar, to explain the thing in short and just give your introduction to the other persons who are watching the video today. So, Mr. Aman Kumar, please.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, friends. My name is Aman Kumar. Currently, I am pursuing BSc at AJ. Currently, I live in Bangalore. Today, me and my friends making Punjabi menu. Let's go. Come. Salad. This is roundel shape, roundel cuts, and not proper cuts. Roundels. Second, vegetable pulao. Prashant, please explain.
Good morning, viewer. My name is Prashant Rajput. I am from Morena, and I am a student of IHM Gwalior, and I am made by vegetable pulao. Vegetable pulao, first is basmati rice, wash them and add all spices and vegetables cooked.
Thank you. Please state.
Supervisor, please take it.
Rice is right. Good prepare and very nice. Second, dal makhani. Call Prachi.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Prachi. We made dal makhani. I will call Aman Kumar to taste it. Prashant, you also taste it.
दाल मखनी not good prepare because थोड़ा सा जल गई.
Prashant, you tell the feedback about
Dal makhani is not prepared good because it is overcooked and thank you.
Second, Matar Paneer and prepared by Naina Rajput. Please explain.
Good afternoon, viewers. So today we prepared a special menu in which me and my friends prepared Matar Paneer. Matar Paneer is a dish which is very famous in every cuisine, every state's cuisine, and in which we use so many ingredients. First of all, the main ingredients we use matar and paneer, and the spices we use in it like turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, all spices, and we put all spices into beaten curd and beat the curd, and then OGG paste and tomato puree, OGG paste, and all spices. Then we cook it properly, and the oil is also good in it, and the color of this gravy is yellowish red. So I would like to tell, please sir, come and taste it.
So friends, this is the Matar Paneer which has been made in the red gravy, or we can say yellow gravy. And this is a purely vegetarian dish. Yes, we have got the onion, ginger, garlic into it. I would like to request the maker of the dish to give me a little portion of the paneer. And it's a big portion, give me just break it from the middle and give a little portion along with a little bit of gravy so that I can go through it. Before that, I will show you the texture of it. You can see the texture is not very much bad, and at the same time it's not very much good also. Why? I will tell you. It has got the oil all around. Oil is oozing out. So be frank, friends, if the oil or ghee is much more, it does not give a clear-cut indication that it's a healthy dish. But as because the recipe demands, we have to give it. But in order to control the quantity of the oil, we have to apply the application of mind, do the application of mind out here. So oil is coming out, that indicates that we have given the oil much more, which has to be reduced. It's room for improvement. So oil should be properly controlled. Then we have got the quality of the paneer. The quality of the paneer, I will not comment about its like good or bad quality, but I can see that the paneer is like coming, like rubbing off. It's coming out little bit. So that the reason may be like the making of the paneer was not, the process was not followed, or there was some mistake by our students to handle the paneer. So we have to like keep in mind that whenever we choose the paneer from the market, the role of the chef is very big, and the chef has to go to the market for the survey of the market. After that, he has to make his decision that whether to collect the paneer or not. If the paneer is of good quality, then only he will go for it. Otherwise, what will happen? It will definitely affect the ultimate product of the time. So I will just have it. Now I can feel as salt is perfect. The sharpness of the chili is good. The taste of the oil is up to the mark, but little bit oil is more out here, and the green peas are well cooked. So I will not go any negative thing regarding that, but the thing is we have to be a little bit like under the effective control system in order to use all the ingredients. After that, we have got the next item, that is sevia. Anybody please pass your comments on it.
Semia prepared by Muskan, and tell me.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Muskan Kusba. Cuisine prepared with semaiya kheer is very famous dish, and look is very nice, and decorated with dry fruits. Taste please. Very thick.
Somebody please taste it and pass your comment. The viewers are waiting for the comment.
It is taste very good, very delicious, and sweet quantity is also good. The texture of this sevaiya kheer is semi-thick, and the flavor of elaichi is like in my mouth, and the decorative part is very nice, very delicious.
Okay, so friends, you have seen today's episode, and today we have got the new friends. They are the Diploma Food Production batch who have joined from the 4th of August 2025, and this is the session that is 2025-26. तो आप लोगों का स्वागत है IHM ग्वालियर में. मैंने आप लोगों का एक थ्योरी सेशन भी लिया है. आप लोगों को IHM ग्वालियर के बारे में हम लोगों ने बताया है। हमारे जो है सुनील सर है, बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस टीचर है, उन्होंने भी बताया है। दिनेश सर ने एक सेशन लेने के लिए कहा है, वो लंच के बाद आपका एक थ्योरी सेशन होगा आपके क्लास में। तो आप लोगों को पता चल गया है कि IHM ग्वालियर में कैसे वीडियोग्राफी होती है, कैसे हम लोग खाना वगैरह जो है इसको प्रेजेंट करते हैं। तो मुझे आप लोगों से यही उम्मीद रहेगी कि हमारे बच्चे IHM ग्वालियर में जिस तरीके से हमेशा नाम देते आए हैं हमारे देश को, पूरी दुनिया को, उस तरीके से आप भी हमारे देश का नाम रोशन करने में IHM ग्वालियर को मदद करेंगे और हमेशा आप सच्चाई के मार्ग में चलेंगे। तो आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आप इस कोर्स में ज्वाइन किए हैं। मैं एक दो व्यक्ति से बात करना चाहूंगा। आपका नाम है मिस्टर सुधीर, ओके, सौरभ। सो मिस्टर सौरभ, आप एक मिनट बताएं कि आपका अनुभव यहाँ पे पहला दिन कैसा रहा, हमारे व्यूवर्स को बताएं।
बहुत अच्छे नहीं लगता, जितने भी हमारे टीचर वगैरह हैं सभी बहुत कोऑपरेटिव है, हमारी बात सुनते हैं। कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो सही बात होगा, सभी जो प्रॉब्लम होगी उन सभी प्रॉब्लम को अच्छे सुनते हैं, उसका सॉल्यूशन भी निकालते हैं। और क्या कि यहाँ पे फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत अच्छी हैं, हाइजीनिक वगैरह सब अच्छी व्यवस्था है।
बहुत सुंदर। अभी मैं आग्रह करूंगा आपसे, आपका नाम बताइए। आकृति, ओके। तो आकृति जी, आप अपने अनुभव को साझा करें। आज का पहला दिन का अनुभव आपका कैसा रहा?
बहुत फन था, अच्छा था, पहला एक्सपीरियंस था, न्यू एक्सपीरियंस है, डिफरेंट है। बैकग्राउंड भी है मेरा इस वजह से, बट दिस इज वेरी डिफरेंट फॉर मी। अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था।
ओके, तो आप अपने दोस्तों को, मित्रों को कहेंगी कि होटल मैनेजमेंट पढ़ने के लिए?
यस श्योर, डेफिनेटली।
तो मेरा आप लोगों से यही आग्रह है कि आपके जितने भी मित्र हैं, जितने भी आपके रिश्तेदार हैं, उनको आप प्रोत्साहित करें होटल मैनेजमेंट में डिप्लोमा कोर्स के लिए, जो अभी हमारे यहाँ पे एडमिशन चालू है 2025-26 के लिए। और अगर आप डिग्री कोर्स में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं तो भी आप जो है आ सकते हैं, आपका स्वागत है। मित्रों, हमें हमारे देश का नाम नंबर 1 पोजीशन में लाना है, फूड प्रोडक्शन में और F&B सर्विस में, हाउसकीपिंग में, फ्रंट ऑफिस में एंड अदर फील्ड्स में। So friends, without taking much time, I would like to thank my cooking team along with Mr. Dinesh Kumar Srivastav ji and Mr. Suresh Valmik ji. On this 4th of August 2025, I am concluding this episode by saying that please subscribe our channel IHM Gwalior Live and please give a like to us. And the dialog box is always open. You can ask whatever you feel like regarding the course, regarding the food preparation, etc. As a chef, as an in charge, I will always help you out. So wherever you are, please stay safe, stay healthy, stay nice, stay jolly and stay blessed. Let God bless all of us with his or her choicest blessings. Namaskar.